Do you have mist extraction on any of your machines? Well, we're here at HSM Components to find out why Steve took the decision to get the MistBuster. But also, we're going to get the technical details from Jamie from Brown Holmes.
Well, I looked at what was available on the market, and obviously you've got the centrifugal type, which are cheaper to buy, but the MistBuster to me was something that was, all right, it's more expensive to buy, but it's cheaper to run in the long run because it's easier to maintain, and the payback, you get that later on as you use it.
Where MistBusters differ from the conventional centrifugal system is they use an impeller. With the impeller, that has a lower energy consumption for electrical energy, and it also has zero vibration, so there's no vibration passed through to the machine tool. Advantages of MistBuster is it doesn't use disposable media and filtration. It utilises electrostatic precipitators coupled with the impeller means lower energy consumption, and you can also, as an end user, self-maintain it yourself with a little bit of guidance and training from Brown Holmes.
Well, it's very easy to use. There's just a switch on the side and you turn it on and turn it off when you're finished with it. It really is a doddle, you know, and I think the maintenance of it is equally as simple. I can maintain it myself. I don't have to have somebody in to do the maintenance on it.
I believe everyone should have a MistBuster on the basis that it's a sustainable product, it's kind to the environment, and we all need to be kinder to the environment. Its low energy consumption is one major factor for the MistBuster, but also the fact that you're not having throwaway media, which will impact not only on the monthly cost or the annual cost of servicing, but also impact on the environment. People to contact myself with regards to a free survey of your machine tools and discuss MistBuster should contact us on inquiries@brownandholmes.co.uk.